Hello, wonderful kids and toddlers. Are you ready for a super fun and exciting adventure today? Well, buckle up because we're about to embark on a colorful journey of shapes and matching. I'm your host, your name, and I'm thrilled to have you join me. Let's take a look at our magical play zone. On one side, we have a fantastic land filled with shapes. Can you guess what shapes we have here? That's right. We've got a triangle, a rectangle, a square, and a circle. And guess what? They're all having a shapes party. And on the other side, we've got another fabulous shapes land with a rectangle, a square, a circle, and a triangle. It's like a mirror image. But oh no, they seem to be a bit mixed up. It's up to you clever kids to help us sort out this shape puzzle. Each shape has a special shape, and our mission is to connect the same shapes on both sides using our magic markers. Let's start with the fantastic triangle. Can you all say triangle? Great! Now, who can spot the triangle on the first side? That's it! Now, let's find its twin on the opposite side. Excellent job! Now, grab your magic markers and let's connect these two triangles with a line of the same shape. Wow, look at that! One shape connected. Now, let's move on to the next one. What's our next shape, kids? You got it, it's the rectangle. Everyone, shout rectangle. Fantastic! Find the rectangle on one side and its match on the other side. Amazing! Grab those markers again and let's make this rectangle connection. We're on a roll! Ready for the next shape? It's the square! Say square out loud, everyone! Brilliant! Locate the square on both sides and use your markers to draw a line between them with the same magical shape. Now, for our last shape of this exciting game, give me a big cheer for the circle. Shout out circle! Wonderful! Hunt for the circles on both sides and, you guessed it, link them up using your super markers. Look at the amazing connections you've made, everyone! You've brought order to our shapes world by matching them up with their shapes. You're true shape wizards. I hope you had a blast solving our wonderful puzzle and connecting shapes with us. Remember, you're all incredible and smart, and you made this adventure truly magical. Thank you for joining me today, and keep exploring, keep learning, and keep having fun. Until next time, bye-bye, amazing kids and toddlers.